linear equations in two variables. And we have our slope-intercept form. So the line y equals 2x minus 1, it's going to have a slope of 2. Okay? The number in front of x is going to be the slope. All right? That is the slope. All right? Now the intercept, the y-intercept particularly, is the value of y when x is what? 0. All right? So let's copy down our equation down here, and in place of the x, I have 2x right here, but in place of the x, let's plug in a 0 so we can find the y-intercept. The y-intercept is the value of y when x is 0. So that 2 times 0 is 0, okay? 0 minus 1, you're going to have y is negative 1 here, okay? Because this zeroes out. 2 times 0 is 0, all right? So the y-intercept is the point 0 for x and negative 1 for y, all right? So we call this the slope-intercept form of the equation because this is the slope and this is the intercept, all right? So this is the slope-intercept form of the equation where m is the slope and the point 0b, this number right here, goes in this point as the y-intercept. All right, write the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line shown. Well, what's the slope of this line? What's the slope of this line? How much does it rise from this point to this point? Well, it goes up 1, right? It goes up 1. And how far over from this point to this point? How far over is this? 1, 2, 3. So the slope of the line is going to be negative because we're going upward to the left. Upward to the left makes a negative slope. And the slope, it rose 1 and it ran 3. So the slope is negative 1/3. All right? So that's m. Okay? Now 0, 3 is your intercept. That's this intercept right here, this point. It's called the y-intercept. It's the value of y when x is 0. Right here it's 0, 3, isn't it? All right? So y is going to equal, and we're going to have 1/3 for m. 1/3 goes in place of m times the x plus b, where b is the point 0, 3. 0b is the intercept. 0b is the intercept, where b is this number 3. Let me show you. If you put in 0 in here for x, you have 1/3 of 0. Put 0 here, and then the 3 has to go over here. Well, 1/3 of 0 is 0, so you end up with 3 is, and this zeroes out this, so we're going to say that's 0 plus b. So we're saying the 3 is this 0 plus b, which is b. b is 3 in this equation right here. Okay? So you're going to have negative 1/3 x. Here's the slope. And in place of the b right here, you're going to plug a 3.